In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a powerful Domino Dreams hack method that works on the latest version of the game for both iOS and Android devices. In this tutorial, you'll learn how this Domino Dreams hack works and how you can use it to maximize your coins and stars without wasting time. This method is designed for players who want to progress faster and unlock more levels efficiently. As you can see on the screen, this Domino Dreams hack method allows you to take advantage of special in-game mechanics such as free shopping, unlimited coins and stars strategies, and an always-win approach when playing certain levels. In this tutorial, the first thing you need to do is make sure your Domino Dreams game is updated to the latest version. To check this, simply open the App Store or Google Play Store and see if an update is available. Once your game is updated, you're ready to use this Domino Dreams hack method. In this tutorial, I explain exactly how the method works step by step so you can apply it safely on both iOS and Android devices. If you want full instructions, head to the pinned comment below where I've explained everything in detail. Follow the steps carefully so you can see the same results shown in this video. In this tutorial, I wanted to show you how this Domino Dreams hack method works and how you can use it to get more coins and stars. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye!